Okay, Monday the 3rd of August, and then we do have quite a few things that we gonna start from. And jump on the 4 hours, and then I'm gonna go on the DXY. Okay, so looking at the DXY, it is where I wanted it to be, or where I did actually explain that we were expecting to hit on the DXY, because we can tell, okay, the uptrending support is mitigated. You can see this support here, we were it was actually tapped on. We managed to tap on it. Now we are looking for a reversal push to the upside. Okay, so any push which is gonna come out of there, it's gonna be what's gonna set us for gold to finish the consolidation down. Same thing as you can see here on the yields. The yields were looking for a break above this area since we've already tapped the support. We managed to break and close above this level again, and then we can see how we opened here. We tapped on the line there, and then we are continuing up, which is what we want to see. So if the yields are gonna be buying, then gold is gonna be selling. Okay, they're gonna add pressure on gold, and then gold will turn into a drop. Okay, now here we are on gold. The only thing which can be seen as a different now is how we opened. Okay, how we opened gold. We opened with a gap above, already on the 50% of the previous day, which was bearish. Okay, so if we measure the body of this day here, this is what we want to see. Okay, so you can see we open and then we tap above there. So that's why I was so certain about it selling from there. I said it Friday that we were looking for a sell for sells above that area there. Okay, so now for us to be sure, or to be confident with the sells, we need to be trading below, let me see if the line is straight. We need to be trading below this closing day, the closing of Friday. The moment we break that area there on the 4 hours time frame, here we are. Okay, and then we see this is the gap. Okay, so what we need now, we need to close below. Okay, the moment we come and break and then we close below on the 4 hours time frame, then we're gonna be set to come down here. Okay, although our entries from 4071 sniper superb, it was good. Okay, I won't double down on that. That was good. And then now what we need is just a continuous push, which is gonna end up closing us below this area. Once we close below that area, it's done. We do have ourselves to continue. Okay, the thing that we are gonna be targeting, remember, with the previous month's low here, which was the month which was just ranging. Remember, we spend a lot of time just ranging, and then the high of it is here. We need to take out the low, which is gonna be around 3,940. The moment we get down here, we might be looking for a shift again, which can send us up if we don't continue down. But if we break here and then we close, we're gonna retest and then continue to 3,500, because that's the zone that we have been searching for. Now let's go to hourly. So hourly, you can see that we have a 1 hour moving average here, which was tapped on. We tapped on this, and then whenever we tapped on it here, you can see how we closed and then how we doubled down on it, or how we've been trading below it all the time. Okay, so it's actually what we are looking for continuation. If this hour continues pushing down and close below the week of the previous selling hour there, you must know that we do have a bearish displacement. Now let's look at our 30 minutes. You can see this was a nice bearish displacement. So what we want to see for us to continue down and then ended up taking out this zone here is to close below this 30 minutes moving average here, because it's playing as a support and also supporting this pivot point here. So we need to see it breaking below and holding below that zone, so that we can know that we have something unique out of that. The market is still gonna continue down, the market is gonna hold on that area, and then that's what we are gonna be looking forward into. As for the 15 minutes one, I know it's above extremely resistant, which is good. So as long as we're gonna be trading below this, just know that we are good. Okay, so all entries which were taken at the right place above here, and then have the SL there. I don't think we need to shift the break even now. It's gonna be too early. Let's just not over leverage. and then keep holding going down. Okay, that's all I can say. We just don't need to over leverage. We can just keep it as it is, because the market is gonna continue melting down. Okay, we are looking at this target below here. We are gonna be looking at 4005 as our target. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Yeah, I'm dying a bit, guys. I will see you on another video, guys. I'll see you on another video. I hope this was an eye opener, and then it was well explained. It won't be too confusing or too complicated. This is what we are looking for. Okay, guys, this is what we are gonna be looking forward into. This is what we are gonna be targeting. Okay, so let's go.